So after we got 2 inches of rain, this is actually one of my old fourplexes that I used to own. There's 2 of them here, so there's 8 units, the apartment building. And so I'm pretty good at leveling this out from over the years. We had 4 inches of rain last night. Comes around that corner, just gully washes down here. But we got this part pretty good. Now we're gonna go work out front here. So right there was the water. These were pretty cool. But someone came along and gave me a deal that I would have been foolish to pass up. I'm going to put the back blade down a little bit. Drag that along. This could use a little gravel. The other spot I throw over was right up here. This always washes out. So I come in here, clean this up a little bit. I'll pull that from down there, put it in here, get it leveled out, go around that side of the building. That always washes out. Get that taken care of, and we should be in pretty good shape. So we'll continue. All right, so we pretty well have finished up. It's getting dark again. I hope it's not going to rain. But yeah, these are the units that we used to own 2 years ago. The guy that bought them knew I had the tractor and knew I kind of knew how to grade this out. We had the 2 inches of rain and it washed out over here. So let's just take a tool and see what we all did. I pulled everything through here, and then right over this hill always washes out, and there were some pretty decent sized ruts in here. So I filled those all in, and then you can see all the tractor tracks. I packed this all down, okay? I graded this part of the parking lot out as much as I could in between cars. Here's building number 2. These are all 4 units. This all got dragged, cut the weeds back, and I showed you this to an extent. I opened up a little bit more around this tree. There's Jim up on top of the hill, and we took this all the way up and around. I packed this, dragged it with the bucket the best I could. That goes up and around. And then let's take you back out the other way. You know, there's a lot of pine needles and there's grass in here. I kind of pulled this out. This could be an extra little parking spot. There could be extra ones down below there. And then, like I said, I graded this out. I always used to land up with a raccoon in the garbage in the bin. Always used to happen to me. Oops. We got to clean up a little piece of log there and a rock. I filled that in at the end where the blacktop meets the dirt, kind of packed that in the best I could. Had a couple cars sitting there, so that kind of is what it is. But all in all, I'm okay with it. We're at about 20 after 12 right now, so yeah, good 2 hours worth of work, and I'm gonna bill him. He gets the good purchasing discount, so I'm gonna bill him probably $85 for everything, including time in the town, time out. Normally I would probably do a little bit more, but we'll bill it at that. All right, hit that subscribe button. Check out the other videos at Pro and the Project Specialist. Final step with the 1025R today. I took some of the dirt that got plowed when we plowed the snow. That the stone and that got pushed up against our fence back there. So I took that, I pulled that back around. I filled in a low spot over here. That was pretty low for Emily Bowman here, former student of mine, now a chiropractor, very proud of her. And then leveled out the rest of this, got it kind of nice, ready to just kind of leveled out so she could use it for parking, filled in the potholes. All that looks pretty good now. That's enough for today. Hit that like and subscribe button. Check out those other videos at Proden the Project Specialist. I lied. I would have been in pretty big trouble if I hadn't taken care of our driveway too here. So I gave this a quick levelation, and now we're done grading for today. So we got our driveway graded out. I gotta pick up a big stone here. We're gonna toss that up over here out of the way. So we got that driveway done by the old apartment building. We got the driveway done by the beauty shop, and we got our own driveway done. So that's all set, ready to go. Still debating whether I'm going to bring in another load of gravel here or if I'm going to bring in some blue granite. Let me know what you think in the comment section. That blue granite or blue stone looks pretty good, but I don't know if I'll be able to get that to pack down for the winter time for when I snow blow. Hit that subscribe button. Keep watching the things that we're doing. I appreciate it, and we'll see you tomorrow. I'm going to mow the lawn yet today, and that's going to be about it, I think, after I have lunch. Proden the Project Specialist. Hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. I appreciate the time you spend with me. Have a great day.